This clip shows how to buy shares of 91 Group, an independent asset manager listed on LSE under the ticker N91.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to your account. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker N91.L. Select the listing that matches 91 Group on the LSE. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm details. Make sure it displays 91 Group on LSE plc with ticker N91.L. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same process.